The Renegade TMB 4100 manual parts washer is a low-maintenance, cost-effective solution for a variety of industrial applications, including small engine repair, automotive, engineering, construction, and more. The TMB series manual parts washers are the practical alternative to washing parts with solvents. The Renegade TMB 4100 is built in the USA and constructed of 16-gauge stainless steel. Wash zone dimensions are 25 by 34 inches with an 18-inch deep wash basin. Key features and benefits include adjustable fountain nozzle, heavy-duty casters for portability, 20-gallon holding tank, cartridge filtration system, low water alarm and shutdown system, and adjustable thermostat. Accessories include flow-through scrub and detail brushes, power sprayer with scrubbing splash guard, Scotch pad dispenser, parts tray with detail brushes, removable sink sediment tray with foam splash insert, and oil absorbent towel. The TMB 4100 parts washer has a 500-pound load capacity and is designed for high heat and high pressure production applications. Renegade parts washers are designed to work with Renegade detergents for maximum cleaning without residue buildup.